Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and this is my December daily journal. Now, I've already started, and I am using this Christmas 2024 prompt list by Nancy Piter, and I will link her channel down below. But the first prompt was Snowman, and I simply put a snowflake paper background, a tag with a snowman on it, a snowflake snicker, oh my gosh, a snowflake sticker, and then I just wrote the number. I put the number sticker down, the prompt, and what I did that day, which was a couple days ago. I organized all the Christmas gifts to see, like, the piles, the different sizes of piles, you know, so nobody feels shortchanged. And then number 2 was tree, so I found some Christmas tree paper, which I put down as a background. I put the number 2 sticker there with tree, and then I chose 2 old Christmas tree ornaments that Rachel and Bethany made many years ago. And that just says Christmas memories. Well, today the prompt is candy cane. So I'm going to put down some candy cane paper. I'm going to put this guy here because he's holding a candy cane. And I have a candy cane sticker, but that's as far as I got. I don't know what else to put. So the first thing I am going to do is glue down my paper. I honestly don't know what else I'm going to put down. I hope you all had a very happy Thanksgiving. We had like 2 Thanksgivings because not everybody could make it on Thanksgiving. We also had a terrible snowstorm on Thanksgiving. Our son and daughter-in-law and grandson weren't coming this year because they were going to her father's house, but the weather made that impossible, so they came here instead. And then our other daughter, Rebecca, came, and of course, you know, Bethany was here. We had lots of fun. It was hectic and chaotic, but lots of fun. I'm just gonna kind of do this to get all that glue spread around, and put a couple of these on. I'll probably put one of each, one with the red ribbon and one with the green ribbon. And I really feel like I need more of a focal point because this is really just like the number tag. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Maybe I need to find a picture of something. But here is the red one. So I guess we'll put that one there. And a green one can go here. We got that. We'll put our number down on here. Number 3. Get my number stickers back out. I'll probably write what I did today later because haven't done much today anyway. Not yet. Just working on catching up on journal spreads. Oh, I know what I can put down. I finished my fall journal, so I can write that down on here because that's what I did today. So stay tuned soon for a flip through of that. I completed my fall journal. Alright, that's what I did today. And this has a sticker on it, I guess. Sticky sticks. So we'll put that right here. And I just have to figure out what this is going to be. And then I'll get back at ya. I cannot find much, to be honest with you. I haven't bought much for this year. But I did find this little tree, which I'm going to fussy cut out. And it's got candy canes on it, and so I think we'll just use this as our off to the side. focal point. I think it fits perfectly. So let's just go do that. I think I might have 2 pages here. I honestly couldn't find anything with, no, it's just thick pages, I guess, with candy canes, anything to do with candy canes. I was thinking about printing off the story of the candy cane, but I kind of wanted to do this quick, you know? So we're going to go ahead and put this tree right here and call it a day. I think it looks okay, and that's what I'm doing. Alright. Yeah, I hope you had a great holiday, and I hope you're having a great day today. And I can see that my battery is getting low. So I'm going to have to plug in after this. But that's okay, because I was just going to edit anyway. And there we go. Yeah, so as I said, we had 2 Thanksgivings, because not everybody could come on the actual Thanksgiving. So that was nice. It kind of made the holiday last a little bit longer. It was fun. And I still feel like it's missing something here. I just feel like it is. I wish I had like a big candy cane. I wonder if I could make one. Maybe I'll try making one. I found these from last year, and this would have been perfect for my number thing, but since I didn't use it for the number thing, why don't I keep it simple and I just put that there like that. I think that's a good idea, because I am trying to keep these simple because, you know, they're every day, right? So let's do that. Let's just go ahead and do that. And there we're done. So like I said, I'll leave in the description below the link to get this prompt list. And tomorrow is going to be something red. So I can start thinking about that. I hope you'll join me in this December daily little challenge thingy, and we'll see you again. I'm probably not going to film every spread or upload every day, but I will do a few, film a couple, and upload. So thanks so much, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.